Welcome back to Bike Updater Pro, the channel where we bring you the latest, the fastest, and the most refined machines on two wheels. Today, we are diving into a touring legend that's getting better with age, the 2025 BMW K1600GT. With its sophisticated engineering, advanced technology, and unapologetically luxurious attitude, this grand tourer redefines what long-distance motorcycling is all about. So, sit back and get ready for a deep dive into the world of performance touring, BMW style. The DNA of the K1600GT, a heritage of luxury touring. The BMW K1600GT has always represented the pinnacle of sport touring motorcycles. Since its introduction, it has carved out a unique identity, combining high-performance capability with a level of comfort and refinement typically found in premium automobiles. The 2025 model builds upon this rich heritage, keeping the soul of the K1600GT intact while integrating thoughtful upgrades that make it more capable, more connected, and more commanding than ever before. This isn't just a motorcycle. It's a continent crusher. The kind of machine that blurs the lines between rider and road. With BMW's attention to detail and precision German engineering, the K1600GT continues to be the benchmark for luxury sport touring in 2025. Design and aesthetics, touring never looks so good. For 2025, the K1600GT gets subtle styling updates to keep it fresh without losing its unmistakable identity. It remains elegant and muscular, with aerodynamic bodywork that looks just as good parked in front of a luxury hotel as it does blasting down the Autobahn. New color schemes, including the stunning Option 719 finishes, offer riders a chance to personalize their ride further. Chrome accents, LED lighting, and meticulous build quality reinforce the premium status of the bike. Every line and curve is intentional, designed not only for form but for aerodynamic function. This is a motorcycle that makes a statement. It's not loud or aggressive, but confident and refined, like a well-tailored suit. Engine and performance, the power of 6 cylinders. At the heart of the 2025 K1600GT lies one of the most unique and revered engines in the motorcycling world, a 1,649 cubic centimeters inline 6-cylinder engine. It's smooth, torquey, and exhilarating, producing around 160 horsepower at 6,750 RPM and 132 pound-foot of torque at just 5,250 RPM. This engine delivers relentless power delivery with silky refinement. What makes it truly special is how linear and broad the torque curve is. The bike pulls strongly from as low as 1,500 RPM, making highway overtakes effortless and mountain passes a breeze. For 2025, BMW has fine-tuned the engine mapping to further improve responsiveness, particularly in the mid-range. The throttle-by-wire system ensures precise control, while maintaining fuel efficiency and emissions within EU 5+ standards. Combined with its signature exhaust note, a deep, resonant hum that sounds more like a sports car than a motorcycle, the K1600GT offers an emotional and refined ride unlike anything else in its class. Chassis and handling, confidence at any speed. Despite its substantial curb weight of approximately 772 pounds, the K1600GT handles with the finesse of a much lighter motorcycle. That's thanks in large part to BMW's dual-lever front suspension and paralever rear suspension, which together provide a stable, planted feel across varying road conditions. BMW's dynamic ESA, electronic suspension adjustment, comes standard on the 2025 model. This system constantly adjusts damping settings in real time, adapting to road surface, riding style, and load conditions. Whether you're solo on a twisty mountain road or two-up with full luggage on a highway tour, the K1600GT maintains its composure with ease. Cornering is sharp and confident, especially considering the size of the bike. The low center of gravity, aided by the horizontal orientation of the inline-six, allows for graceful lean angles and tight turns. You feel the weight at low speeds, but once you're moving, the K1600GT is surprisingly agile. Technology and electronics, touring in the digital age. BMW has always been a leader when it comes to motorcycle technology, and the 2025 K1600GT is no exception. At the center of the cockpit is a stunning 10.25-inch TFT full-color display, seamlessly integrating navigation, media, bike data, and smartphone connectivity through BMW's Motorrad connected app. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility make it even easier to access your favorite music, calls, and maps while on the go. Also new for 2025 is advanced adaptive cruise control, which uses radar to automatically maintain a safe following distance from vehicles ahead. This, combined with Hill Start Control Pro, LED adaptive cornering lights, rider modes, rain, road, and dynamic, and traction control, makes the K1600GT as safe as it is luxurious. Another standout feature is the optional audio system 2.0, delivering rich, high-quality sound even at highway speeds. Whether you're riding solo or with a passenger, the tech suite transforms your journey into a first-class experience. Comfort and ergonomics, built for endless miles. BMW designed the K1600GT for riders who want to go far and stay comfortable the whole way. The ergonomics are upright yet slightly forward-leaning, perfect for spirited riding without sacrificing comfort. The seat is plush, supportive, and now heated, as are the grips and optional rear seat for the passenger. Wind protection is excellent thanks to the large, electrically adjustable windscreen. You can raise or lower it on the fly to manage buffeting or improve airflow depending on the weather or your speed. Adjustable levers, foot peg positions, and seat height options ensure a customizable fit for riders of all sizes. Storage is another area where the K1600GT shines. Integrated panniers come standard, and there's an optional top case with a passenger backrest. Combined with multiple USB-C and 12V charging ports, the 2025 K1600GT is well equipped for cross-country adventures. Pricing and availability, what you can expect. The 2025 BMW K1600GT starts at around $26,500, but as with most BMW motorcycles, the options list can push that figure well past $30,000. Packages like the Premium and Comfort packages bundle desirable features such as keyless ride, central locking, fog lights, tire pressure monitoring, and more. Given its status as a flagship touring model, the K1600GT isn't for the budget-conscious rider, but for those who value premium engineering, top-tier comfort, and long-distance performance, it offers excellent value for money. It competes primarily with the Honda Goldwing Tour and Yamaha FJR 1300, though few rivals match its combination of six-cylinder smoothness and German refinement. Final thoughts. The ultimate touring machine? The 2025 BMW K1600GT is not just a motorcycle. It's an experience, a long-distance performance tourer that combines brute force with elegance, cutting-edge tech with timeless design, and rider-focused comfort with dynamic handling. It's a machine for riders who want it all: speed, sophistication, and the ability to ride from sunrise to sunset without a second thought. If your idea of the perfect ride involves crossing countries rather than counties, the K1600GT should be high on your list. And with the latest updates in 2025, BMW has once again proven why this model continues to be the gold standard for luxury touring. Outro. Subscribe to Bike Updater Pro. Thanks for tuning into Bike Updater Pro. If you found this breakdown of the 2025 BMW K1600GT helpful, informative, or even just entertaining, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the world's best bikes. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. Would you take the K1600GT on your next grand tour, or is there another contender you'd choose? Until next time, ride safe, ride far, and keep your passion for two wheels alive.